Winner of this year's World Car of the Year is a Asian brand, which is Kia, and the model is Telluride. They also won one more model for the Green Car of the Year, which is Soul EV. And with just one model, the Kia Seltos, they made a great establishment even in India. So from them, we are bringing a new sub 4 meter car, which is the Baby Tiger, the all new Sonnet. Welcome to Flyway. It was in 2018 I first saw the Kia Sonet, which was as a prototype. And you might be wondering how, right? So I was in Korea for the first prototype drive of the Kia Seltos, and we have showcased this car. Very few medias were there in this trip. And then they said that this was inspired from the baby elephant, and the design philosophy is based on that. Later in 2020 Auto Expo, they showcased the Sonet for India as a concept, and which has not changed much from the concept. It has made so much close to that, and it looked very attractive. So let's check out how it looked in exterior before we go into the interior. Kia normally call their face as tiger nose face because of this aggressive grill design. It's got a mesh grill over here, and for the GT line, they got to these red spottings. Detail on the grill is also very attractive. There are two type of headlights on the new Sonet. One is the halogen, which is the basic one, and on the top end model, there's a LED light. Has got a daytime running light which resembles the sharp teeth of the tiger. Bumper also has crafted very well. It's got that pro sporty feel, and you can see a aluminum split plate on this part, which look very attractive with this red lining for the GT line. We have seen this GT line on Seltos also with this red lining. There's a projector fog lamp, and the line on the hood also give a masculine powerful feel for the front of the Sonet. On the side profile also you can see that masculine feel of this Kia design. It's not having any major lines. There's a mild shoulder line which starts after the fender. It goes up to here and raise up here. And there's a roof line which is very strong roof line with a roof rail. It's a flat roof rail, and it's sloping towards the rear, which gives you a sporty feel. Coming onto the fender, you can see a masculine feel. There is no major line, but there's a one line over here. But the sculpting look more masculine for this car. Side view mirror also is shaped very well, and there's a very strong dynamic line which give a proper dynamic feel, and there is this curve which give again an attractive element. This red lining on the GT line again is a sporty element, and there is a chrome enough to look more premium, and the roof line is also sloped as I mentioned, and there is a small quarter glass over here which is a balance for the design. Coming on to the rear fender, you can see a hip formation which again give a good attractive feel, and there is some element over here which again is a fin which again look very sporty. And coming on to the rear is again a very new rear which not seen much of the curve. Both the tail has been connected with this red reflectors which look attractive. This Kia logo is here. Registration plate is moved onto the bumper, and this exhaust like feel on the rear which again look a sporty feel. It's not exhaust basically, it's just a exhaust design, and there's a red lining which again is a GT line. It's a huge boot is also available with this new Sonet. You can see the lid over here, the space, the seat can be folded to get more space, and there's a deep wood here, and it's good enough for you to take your family luggage for a weekend trip. 16-inch diamond cut alloy is there in this variant, which is a GT line, and you can see this red inserts on this central hub and the red brake caliper, which is again a GT line element. Otherwise, on the other variant tech line on the top end, you won't see the red, but the design remains same. Other than this, another alloy and a steel rim with 15 inches also available with this Kia Sonet. These are the wheel options for the Kia Sonet in India. When Kia Seltos was launched, one thing I noticed about the interior of Kia was the build quality and the fit and finish. It has been carried in the same way in this Sonet also, and even the material usage and design also stand out from the crowd, and it is having a very distinct design. But it is similar to the elder brother Seltos in a way that the instrument console and this infotainment system is laid out in a very premium way, which we have seen in some of the premium cars, especially like the Mercedes. And this infotainment system
is having the same graphics which you have seen in the Seltos, which is a good one, and I feel it's a very handy and useful. It's a touch screen. Instrument console is a mix of analog and digital, which is again a very readable one. The switches are laid out very neatly, but the A1 design is very different and distinct. It's a vertical design. It's very attractive, and you can accommodate the other things very ergonomically. And the vertical air vent is there on the side also. Another useful element is the induction charger, and is placed very neatly on the top of this center console, and there is enough space to keep another phone for you. There is three charging options available. One is the normal charging with USB, another USB port is there, and your 12-volt charging is also available. The rest of the things remain same for all the variants. So this one is IMT. You can see the gear lever. There is two cup holders here. There's a small glove box on here. It's a small one, and there's an air filter over here which can be replaced when it is filled, which I'll explain later when I drive. Switches on this drawer pad is also well arranged, and all the materials usage are great. In this GT line, the interior is crafted fully in black with red stitching and red details which look attractive, especially give a premium feel. And otherwise, there is a beige option. Roof also available with the top end variants, and there is a glove box over here. And you know, infotainment system also support Kia's the supporting system UO switcher to control that, and for the SOS and other breakdown switches are over here in the rear view mirror. Rest everything is placed very ergonomically. There's a good seat which is having a good thigh support, backrest, and bolsters, which is good for long term. And this seat also can be cooled in the top end variants. So altogether, interior is crafted very well. To add on to the beauty of this interior, there's a Bose 7-speaker sound system, which again I experienced during the drive. So front is well crafted. Let's check out the rear. The rear seat of Kia Sonet is also well crafted. It's a very supportive one. I think the three people can really sit here because the transmission tunnel is low. And if you're sitting here, even an adult can keep the leg properly, and seat is not very bumpy here. But again, it's very good for the two adults and one kid. And if there is only two passenger, you can unfold this hand. You also get two cup holder here. There is two pockets over here in the seat. There's an AC vent on rear, charging portal, and the space for your phone is also available. This huge window is actually good for you to see outside. Even the seat sit a little low, you won't feel claustrophobic here. And it's a very well crafted interior. The build quality, everything is good. Even the design of this Bose sound system, the grill also look very premium. So altogether, it's a very premium interior is in this What I'm driving right now is a 1-liter turbo petrol engine with a IMT gearbox. IMT means Intelligent Manual Transmission. This is the latest kind of gearbox available in India, which was actually announced in Sonet as concept during the 2020 Auto Expo, and it was introduced in market through its cousin Hyundai Venue IMT. So we had experienced this gearbox a little earlier. So what is IMT gearbox? The simple way to explain is a manual gearbox without clutch pedal. So what I'm driving now is the same gearbox. I don't have a clutch pedal over here, but I can change the gear manually. You know why this gearbox is introduced? Mainly because of two reasons. One is to reduce cost. It's the same technology as AMT. In AMT, the gear is also changed electronically, that is automatically. Wherein in this case, we are actually changing the gear manually so that the cost is reduced, first of all. Second, you are getting the fun of a manual gearbox. So what the studies shows that normally people are picking the automatic gearbox is not because they can't change the gear, but they're not happy in using clutch so much, especially in traffic. That's how this IMT has been introduced. How this IMT works. So on this gearbox, once you start applying the gear, the lever, when the lever start moving at least 5 to 10%, the sensor will activate the clutch and engage the clutch so that we can change the gear without actually pressing the gear with the clutch pedal. This can be operated even on standstill, either by first gear or by even second gear. You can move the car on from standstill in this IMT, but third onwards, you need to have the proper momentum. The gear ratio and engine speed ratio should match, so then only the gearbox will perform accordingly. So in this case, now I'm in third gear. I'm moving very smoothly. I can change on to fourth even in 35 speed, 35 km per hour. So this speed actually started beeping, so it won't move on the fourth gear. So I had to downshift to second gear. According to various speed and ratio, you have to change the gear to move the car smoothly. This can be used to
climb, or you can even reverse it on the climb. There won't be any problem. There's a hill hold assist, and it has enough power to do that performance. So it's a very practical gearbox, and this engine and gearbox combination works very well. So let's come out of the other factors of this new Sonet. So I really loved the suspension. It's very well crafted for Indian roads. So here in the third, or at the speed of even 10 km per hour, it can't move. So I have downshifted to second. So coming back to the suspension. This new suspension is well made for Indian condition. The ground clearance is great. It's proper like an SUV. You have enough ground clearance, but it doesn't actually compromise anything on the comfort part. The comfort is amazing, but it's not soft. It's a bit hard, but you don't have that harshness. Basically, balance between comfort and the practicality. Steering is also very responsive one. Again, I had experienced a very good steering in the elder sibling Seltos. So same thing I can experience here. It's very responsive, but it's also good for city maneuverability, especially in this tight type of traffic. We can actually maneuver very easily. It's very communicative steering. So that way, and even if you're piling up the speed, the steering is quite good enough to have a good confident control of the car. So that way, again, that is also a balanced one. The braking efficiency is also brilliant, especially when it's compared with its cousin Venue felt a little spongier. So this one is good enough to stop all the ponies in the hood. The Kia has also made the car very strongly. It is built strong, and it has been fitted with all the active and passive safety features in this new car. We are actually in the first drive of the all-new Sonet, which is the national media drive, which is happening in various cities in India. Normally it happens in one city, we all travel there. But because of this particular situation, they have sent the cars to selected cities and they are inviting medias in batches. So we are in the first batch. We have 3 cars here. In this batch, my friend Vivek and me are driving. So tomorrow onwards, different batches are coming up. So far we are not known about the pricing and the date of the proper market launch. But if it's priced well, and what I understood from some of the leak pricing, it will be priced almost similar to Venue. In that case, like the Seltos, again the Sonet also will be a very successful model for Kia in India. So now it's your turn to let me know the opinion of the new Sonet in its exterior design, interior design, the performance, everything. So what do you like about this new Kia, and what is your price expectation of the new Sonet when it hit the market? Anyway, please do like and share this video, and also please do subscribe to our channel if you are not done yet. Until we meet next with a new car, stay safe and enjoy your life.